sound. I still can't believe it happened.
Everything was going so well. We had a house, we had a roof over our heads, we had everything. We were so blessed. We were happy back then.
Happiness? That's a thing of the past. We used to be loved by everyone.
Who? Yeah, Derek. Derek. Yeah, Derek! Yeah! I know Derek. Oh, two guys. Derek. Eric's short guy? Black? Yeah, these guys. Ooh. Yeah, now I know who you're talking about. I don't really hang out with them much.
We used to stomp grapes and make wine.
What do I mean by weird? Daniel, he just, his feet stink really bad. A lot of toe jam and some other really nasty things.
I used to have so much fun.
Eric. You see that picture again? Yeah, Eric. You know, I don't even know why we're talking about this guy because I heard he was into some really bad stuff. Eric. Funniest story about Eric. This guy gets up 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if he's sleepwalking, I don't know what's going on, but he puts on high heels, a tutu, and he's prancing, like frolicking out in the front yard. Like a Barbie or something. So he was stuck in the front yard with high heels and a tutu on. That was pretty funny.
We used to be best friends.
You are my joy, you are my joy, you are my joy, you are my joy. You are my joy, you are my joy, you are my joy, you are my joy.
Then everything changed.
Hey man, what's going on? Good to see you. Come on in, we're just hanging out. I got nothing, man. Nothing at all.
Pair of eights. What you got? Ah, pair of aces.
I'm done, and that makes you done too. And with that, I'm going to bed. It's getting late.
Yeah, it's getting pretty. Hey, we got an extra bed. You want to stay over tonight?
That was the worst decision we ever made.
You guys do not understand. The sound was so loud that it completely cracked the foundation of the house, and all these decibels were just flying all over the place, and the house was decimated.
What did I do against you, God? How did I sin to deserve this?
Why, God? Why?
The sound.
Hey, we can live here.
Where? In that? What's wrong? Are you kidding? I'm not living in there.
Man, quit being a pansy.
I am not a pansy. Call me a pansy one more time.
Pansy.
I get so angry! That's mine! The sound. What the heck is going on?
What in the world is going on?
Come on, we gotta go! Run! No! Wait! Hold on, I forgot my glasses.
Okay, can we go now?
We can go. Hey! What is the problem?
Forgot something.
Okay, can we go now?
Okay.
You're good.
Okay, let's go.
Wait! Hold on. Forgot something else.
Gotta be blingin', baby. You know what I'm talking
Can
about.
we go now?
Yeah, we can go.